In this video, we're gonna go through the basic operation of sanding SY135C. To start with, this is the left cabin. Open the hood up. First, we wanna make sure this is the main power switch. We wanna make sure this is on. Moving on to the cab. Now here, you will see the safety lock. This is in locked position. This is unlocked position. This is our cab. This window slides right up, and it has a locking mechanism on the back. To release it, you have to press the buttons on the two sides. Now I'm standing in the cab. Inside the cab, you'll find the left joystick, right joystick to operate the unit. You'll find the full steps with extension to operate the tracking. This lever is dozer blade control. This is on the behind the right joystick. This is a light beam, washer fluid, and the washer control. This is emergency shut off. This is engine revolution set from minimum to maximum. This is your key. It has 4 positions: heat, off, on, and start, which I will show you later. Behind the left joystick, on the right is the radio. On the right is the HVAC system. You can set it to off. You can set different wind level, temperature, different mood. You can set it to auto, so you don't have to worry about anything. This is air conditioning. And obviously we have the seat and seat belt. Behind the seat, you will find all the manuals. Behind the seat, you will also find some storage room here, and also into these boxes. And underneath the screen, you will find 2 things. First is a power outlet. This is 12 watt 10 amp. This is a warning signal to control the voice and the light. Once we turn this on, you will have the light. And now turn the key to on position to power on the unit, and then your monitor should be starting. Now moving on to the monitors. Once press this button, you will find your error code. This is maintenance. This is screen light control. This is turtle rabbit speed switch. This is your machine hour reading. This is current period hour work hour reading. This is your fuel level. This is your temperature level. And here you will find the depth fluid level. And if there's any warnings, you will find them on those 2 columns. Moving on to the main control page. This is your basic information: your fuel level, oil pressure, engine RPM, battery voltage, hydraulic oil temperature, depth level, concentration of depth fluid, after treatment temperature, fan speed, throttle position. This is error code. And you'll find your machine serial number here. Those you don't need to worry too much about. Date and time, which you can set for yourself. System language, we have total of 13 languages to select from. Default mode is to select your work mode. Mode S is standard, H is high load, L is light load, B is crushing. They will give you different hydraulic power. Quick change. This is to control your quick coupler. And once you select that, you will see solenoid valve is activated for quick change. And this is released. This is how you control the quick change. To activate the locking mechanism on the quick change, you want to press the circle out button on the left joystick. And then you can select your work tools. For bucket, it won't start the auxiliary flow, so both thumb wheels will not work. And when you select this mode, hammer, you will have one side of auxiliary working, which you can drag, which you can set the percentage or to whatever you want, but the maximum is 120 liters per minute. And this gives you 3 directional flow, and you can set all the diameters you want to different scissor tools. Alarm setting. This to trigger your alarm. You can have it on for travel, swing, and get on, and you can have it for sound or light or both. Multifunction panel. This is for your region. System setting, software update. You don't need to worry about. This is for our service. Pin code settings is to set your own code. When you stop the work, turn the key to off position and locks the safety lever, and then you can exit the unit. If there is an emergency, use this hammer to break that window and go out from there. On the left cabin, you will also find the pattern switch valve, which is to change your joystick operation mode. Simply place and then rotate. It will go from SAE to BHL mode. One last thing, Mass Any. This is how you call us for service or parts, or if you have any product related inquiries. This is on the left side of the cab.